Hello everyone and welcome to our next topic on class Mammalia. Okay, in this class we are going to study the material or the topic regarding class Mammalia. Now, generally, the class Mammalia include the animals which are highly evolved in the animal kingdom. These animals, the females of these animals, they possess mammary gland for production of milk so as to nourish their young ones. Now let us see the classification of mammals. But the classification of mammals, it is based on certain points. So on what basis we are going to classify the mammals? So mammals are classified according to the mode of caring of their young ones, then nature of dentition, then foot posture, then nails, claws, and hooves, and complexity in nervous system, etc. All such points or topics are taken into consideration while classifying the mammals into various families or orders. Now, let us see how the mammals are classified. So, generally, this is a chart regarding classification of mammals. Here you can see that mammals, class Mammalia, it is classified into two subclasses. Subclass 1 is Prototheria, this one, Prototheria, and second subclass is Theria. Okay, the Prototheria means first animals or first Theria. Proto means first and Therios means beast, that means animals. So it includes first or primitive reptile-like oviparous mammals, Prototheria, in which there are four, you can say, orders, out of which three animals of three orders are extinct, and only one order is living, that is Monotremata. The Theria, again, it is divided into, you can say, three infraclasses: infraclass Metatheria, infraclass Eutheria, and infraclass Lauraceatheria. But in our syllabus, only Metatheria is included. So we are going to discuss all these details of these subclasses and infraclasses. Now let us discuss one by one. Firstly, subclass Prototheria. As we have said, proto means first and therios means beast, animal. Okay, so this subclass include four orders. इसमें चार ऑर्डर्स है, चार ऑर्डर्स पाए जाते थे: डोकोडोंटा, ट्राइकोडोंटा, एंड मल्टी ट्यूबरक्यूलाटा एंड मोनोट्रीमाटा, जिसमें से तीन ऑर्डर्स एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुके हैं और सिर्फ मोनोट्रीमाटा ये आज लिविंग ग्रुप की तरह प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो कळलं, यामध्ये चार ह्या सब क्लासमध्ये चार ऑर्डर्स होते: डोकोडोंटा, ट्रायकोडोंटा, मल्टीट्यूबरक्युलाटा अँड ट्रिमॅटा, मोनोट्रिमॅटा. यापैकी फक्त मोनोट्रिमॅटा हे लिव्हिंग ग्रुप आहे, उरलेले तीनही एक्सटिंक्ट झाले आहेत. So let us first discuss about this monotremata. Okay, now here we are going to discuss in detail about the animals included in monotremata. So these animals are aquatic or they may be terrestrial, generally burrowing. Mainly they are insectivorous and nocturnal animals. They are air breathing with incompletely warm blooded, and they have quadrupedal locomotion, and these are oviparous mammals, that means they are egg laying mammals. म्हणजेच हे ॲनिमल कसे असतात? ॲक्वॅटिक किंवा टेरेस्ट्रियल, म्हणजे पाण्यात राहू शकतील किंवा जमिनीवर राहतील. देन बरोईंग, मोस्टली दे फॉर्म बरोज. insectivorous, nocturnal, निशाचर, air breathing, incompletely warm blooded, and quadrupedal, चार पायावर चालणारे oviparous egg laying mammals आहेत. Okay. Yeah. Now let us see their external features. Body is small and covered by hairs and spines. Snout produced into beak. Then external ears are absent. लक्षात येऊन राहिला. So body कशी आहे, small and covered with hairs and spines. Snout is produced into beak. So snout is a part anterior to the mouth. It is extended or in the form of, it is present in the form of beak. Then external ears are absent. Then tail may be present or may be absent. Mammary glands are with, they are without tits or they don't have nipples. Then male, they possess a hollow horny tarsal spur on each hind leg. And a temporary mammary pouch may develop during breeding season. Exoskeleton in this animal include epidermal horny hairs or spines, beak and claws. Body cavity is divided by diaphragm into anterior thoracic and posterior abdominal cavity. Then teeth, they develop only into embryo and they get replaced by horny beak in adults. Rectum opens into cloaca. Then heart is four-chambered, in which left AV wall is incomplete and fleshy. Okay. And body temperature is variable. Body temperature may vary from 25 degrees centigrade to 28 degrees Celsius. Okay. Kidney is metanephric. Then ureter open into urinogenital chamber, which terminates finally into common cloaca. Brain is relatively small and simple without corpus callosum. Optic lobes are 4 in number. Then in male, the abdominal penis is present, which is retractable and which only passes out the sperms and not the urine. In female, the right ovary is reduced and oviduct leads separately into cloaca, or you can say oviduct open separately into cloaca. Uterus and vagina are absent in these animals. Eggs are large with more yolk and elastic shell. As these are egg-laying animals, so eggs are laid by female and these are large in size, having more yolk and elastic shell. Cleavage is meroblastic. Now, the subclass Prototheria is having a single living order, that is monotremata. Now, this monotremata is further divided, or it further includes only two families. First family is family Tochiglossidae. Okay. So this family include the animals which are terrestrial. They have limbs which are strongly clawed for burrowing. As you can see in this animal, these limbs, they have strong claws which are used for burrowing. Body is covered with short barbless spines and coarse hairs. Tail is vestigial and pinna are distinct. External pinna you can see here. These are external pinna. They are clearly seen. Okay. Teeth are never present as they have beak like bill. Example is spiny anteater. This one, echidna. Okay. Then second family, that is Ornithorhynchidae. In this case, the animals have semi-aquatic burrowing limbs which have claws as well as web for swimming. Then body is covered with soft fur. As you can see, there's difference between anteater and this duckbill platypus. You can see the body covering in a spiny anteater. The body is covered with spiny hairs, and here soft fur is present over the body. Then tail is well developed and paddle like. Then pinna are vestigial and rudimentary teeth are found in embryo, however they are absent in adult. And example of this is duckbill platypus. Okay, so this is regarding the prototheria. Then subclass theria, as we have said that subclass theria is again divided into uh, metatheria, eutheria and euricotheria, but here we are in our syllabus we are only going to relate with metatheria. So generally the animals which are belonging to subclass theria, they have the female members, they do not lay eggs, but they give direct birth to young ones. Mammary glands are provided with nipple or teeth. Then pinna or external ears are present. Then ureter open directly into urinary bladder. At the end of digestive tract, an anus is present. Teeth are present throughout the lifetime. Testes are situated in the scrotum. Then ribs possess two heads for articulation with vertebrae, and this subclass include three infraclasses, okay, out of which Pantotheria is extinct and remaining two are present, but we are only related with in our syllabus we are only related with infraclass Metatheria. Okay, now the infraclass Metatheria include only single order Marsupalia. Okay, now here firstly, let us see the general characters of Marsupalia, animals belonging to Marsupalia. So it includes the pouched mammals which do not have true placenta. They are found in Australia region. By looking over the picture which is shown here, you are clear that this is a kangaroo which is found in Australian region. They are terrestrial, they may be burrowing or arboreal, they are rarely aquatic, they are herbivorous, they may be carnivorous, they may be omnivorous. Generally, they are nocturnal or they may be diurnal, but they are air breather, they are truly warm blooded and viviparous mammals. They have a marsupial pouch. Body is covered with soft hairs. External pinna are well developed, which are seen in photograph. Then exoskeleton include external horny hairs and claws, and skin is glandular. Teeth are present, and anus and urinogenital aperture opens into cloaca. Circulatory system is same as that of Prototheria. Tail is long, that is also seen in the photograph. Mammary glands have teats, that means they have nipples. In male, penis is well developed and scrotal sac contain testes, as that is found in higher mammals also. Then in female, two oviducts, they open separately into urinogenital sinus, so that there are two uteri and two vagina. Female is without female is with ventral abdominal pouch, which is called marsupium. The young ones, which are directly born, they are born blind and kept in marsupial pouch, and they are nourished with milk until fully matured. Okay, now this marsupialia, it is further classified into order Marsupialia. It is further classified into 8 to 10 families, which include various examples. For example, family Didelphidae, having an example of common opossum, then family Dasydidae, or you can say insectivorous, then family Notarictidae, Notarictus, then family Pyramidal, Bandicoot, then Cynolestidae, shrew-like animals, then Phalangeridae, that is having koala animal, then Phascolamidae, warm bat, and Marcopodidae, that is having including kangaroo. So such various families are found in order Marsupalia. Okay, so this is all regarding the topic Mammalia of our syllabus.